one of those core technologies that makes the internet is hypertext markup language. This is a simple language that allows us to format and present beautiful web pages inside of web browsers. You and I are going to roll up our sleeves and create together our very first HTML page. Launch your favorite text editor. My favorite's Notepad. And what we're going to do is we are going to create the famous Hello World web page here. Whenever you're learning any kind of scripting or programming language, it's always great to start with Hello World because rumor has it this brings you good luck. Now, Hello World is just text on this page. In order to make it HTML, we're going to add what are called tags that give instructions for the web browser and how to present that information. Tags are in these little bracket thingies, greater than and less than symbols. And the first tag that I'm going to use here is to indicate this is HTML. There we go. And what we do with tags is we open them and close them. So to close our HTML tag, we use a / before the HTML. So there's our closing tag. So that right there is enough, believe it or not, for this HTML page to function. Let's save it instead of as a text file as an HTML page. So I'm going to go File, Save As. I'll go to my, how about my Downloads folder, and I'll name this Hello World.html, and we will say Save. So now let's navigate to my Downloads folder, and I see I need to really clean this folder. But anyways, there it is, the Hello World.html. And if you look closely, you can see that HTML is associated with the Edge browser in my Windows 10. So I should be able to double-click this file, and there it opens in a web browser, and there is our Hello World HTML page. Now, there are some things I don't like right off the bat here. Number one, it looks so plain and boring. And look at this, the path to the file is displaying here in this browser tab. Don't like that. So there's lots of things we'll be learning to do that are more sophisticated, of course, with our HTML coding. In fact, I can't resist. Let's jump back into the file, and I'm going to add just 2 more tags. I'm going to say that this should be presented as a heading 1 style. So I'm going to drop in an H1 tag right there, and we can't forget to close that tag with an H1 closing tag. There we go. This should look more impressive with Hello World in a nice heading style. I'll do a File, Save, and then we'll switch over to our File Explorer, and I will double-click this new and improved HTML file. It launches in Edge, and this time we get a much more impressive Hello World presentation. Now, because I misspelled Hello World when I was naming the file, I think I negated any good luck principles that might apply. But what we did successfully accomplish was see how easy it is to work with HTML. It is a very simple markup language indeed, and the markup that we're doing to our text is to insert tags to control the way in which browsers present the information.